Do you have 5,000 naira to invest? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different investments you can start with 5,000 naira and you can grow to up to 1 million naira. 5 simple investments that all you need to start is just 5,000 naira. Without wasting more time, let me go into details and let me explain them one by one so that you can get started with them. Number one is money market mutual fund. Now, money market mutual fund is a type of investment where financial institutions like banks collect money from investors. They will now put the money in different financial instruments. Then, when the investment yield returns, they will pay the investors every three months. The unique thing about money market mutual funds is that your capital security is guaranteed. The interest rate is usually low, between 15, 16 or 17%. And you need minimum of 5,000 naira to get started in a money market mutual funds. Interests are paid every three months to you, and you can take out your money anytime you want. One unique thing about money market mutual fund is that you can allow your investment to compound. So when it's time for them to pay your returns, you can say no, you don't want your returns. You want to reinvest it back into the fund and build the investment like that. That is one unique thing about money market mutual funds. And we have different types of money market mutual funds. We have the Stanbic IBTC money market mutual funds. We have the Cowrie Rise money market mutual funds. Different types of money market mutual funds, right? And like I said earlier, you can start investing in money market mutual funds with at least 5,000 naira. Now, how do you get started? It's simple. Register with any good stockbroker or any fintech app. For instance, you can download Cowrie Rise app on Play Store and you can use it to start investing in a money market mutual funds. Or you can register with any good stockbroker like Stanbic IBTC stockbroker, Mary Stem stockbroker, or Cardinal Stone stockbroker. You can even invest in money market mutual funds using the PalmPay app on your phone. Money market mutual funds is a very easy way anybody can start investing because your capital security is guaranteed and you are getting interest every time. It can also serve as an emergency fund because anytime you want to take out your money, you can always take out your money. Number two investment you can start with 5,000 naira is treasury bills. Treasury bills is a type of investment where you borrow federal government money and they pay you back the money with interest. It is backed by the federal government, so it is 100% safe. It guarantees capital security too. And you can start investing in treasury bills with even 5,000 naira. There are 3 types of treasury bills. You can do the 3 month treasury bills, which is 90 days. You can do the 6 months, or you can do the 1 year treasury bills. So this is how it works. You borrow government money and you get interest. Simple. Now, the unique thing about treasury bills is that it's a short-term something. It means the maximum you can do a treasury bill is 1 year. For you to do more than 1 year, you have to start a fresh treasury bill. And unlike mutual funds, where you can allow your investment to compound, you can't allow your treasury bill compound. When it's time to get your interest or take out your money, you have to take out your money. If you want to continue, you have to start a new treasury bill. But in mutual funds, you can build one particular mutual funds for years. Now, to get started with treasury bills, you can do that using the Bamboo app. Go to Play Store, download Bamboo app, and you can use it to start investing in treasury bills. Or you can even walk to your bank to get more details about treasury bills. You can invest 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, even as high as 50 million naira in treasury bills. Then another investment you can start with 5,000 naira is federal government series bonds. This was established in 2017, and since 2017, governments have consistently paid. It is also backed by the federal government, just like treasury bills, but your interests are paid to you every quarter of the year. We have 2 types of federal government bonds. We have the 2 years bonds, or we have the 3 years bonds. So when you are investing for the 2 years bonds, you have to hold the investment for 2 years. And within this period, your interest will be paid to you every quarter. Then after the 2 years, you will not get your initial capital. This is the same for the 3 years bonds. But the 3 years bonds generally have higher interest than the 2 years bond. Now, just like mutual funds, federal government bonds also pay interest quarterly, but you cannot access your capital until the duration have elapsed. So if you are investing for the 2 years or 3 years, you cannot take out your money for either 2 years or 3 years. You can invest in mutual funds anytime. You can invest in treasury bills anytime as long as they are available ones. But in federal government savings bonds, you can only invest every first week of the month. So every first week of the month, federal government bonds open, and they'll give a particular amount of time between 3 to 5 days for you to invest. After that time has elapsed, you have to wait to the next month to participate in the federal government savings bonds. Now, these three types of investment are low risk and they are fixed income kind of investment, meaning your capital will save in treasury bills, bonds, and mutual funds, and you are sure of the interest you are getting in advance. There are other ones you can do with 5,000 naira. For instance, you can also invest in the stock market with at least 5,000 naira. There are many stocks in the Nigerian stock market that cost less than 100 naira, even less than 500 naira. For 5,000 naira, you can buy stocks like MTN, buy stocks like Dangote Cement, buy stocks like Zenith Bank, buy stocks like GTCO, and many of the popular companies you know. Many of those stocks cost less than 200 naira. So with 5,000 naira, you can acquire many units of these stocks, right? So with 5,000 naira, you can start investing in the stock market. All you need is a good broker or a good app. We have lots of them. We have Bamboo, we have Chaka, we have True, we have Afri Events, we have Yocha. We have many of them. We have Meristem, Cardinal Stone. You can download any of these apps, register, and you can use it to start investing in the stock market. Even in the US stock market too, you can invest in the US stock market using apps like even Bybit and even app like Bamboo, right? They allow you to invest in the US stock market. So with at least 5,000 naira, you can also invest in the stock market. Now, one unique thing about the stock market compared to the other forms of investment I've explained is that the stock market can give us high as 100%, 200%, 300%, even 500% returns within a short period of time. The returns you can get from the stock market can be exponentially high, but at the same time, it is very, very risky and volatile, meaning it does not guarantee your capital safety. So you can literally lose your money in the stock market. That is why the stock market is a very risky form of investment. Before you invest in the stock market, you have to be aware of the risk involved, and you have to get proper knowledge before investing in the stock market. But all in all, the stock market is a game changer and it is capable of building you wealth. The final investment you can start with 5,000 naira is the crypto market. Yes, just like the stock market that is highly volatile, the crypto market is even more volatile than the stock market, but the returns can also be exponentially high. You can get as high as 1,000% returns by investing in the crypto market, but it is very, very risky. With 5,000 naira, you can invest in crypto. There are lots of apps that can allow you to invest in crypto, even with your Nigerian naira. Apps like Luno, apps like QDAX, apps like OBS can allow you to start investing in crypto with your naira. But the ones that allow you to invest in crypto with dollars are Bybit, Key.io, Binance, and even KuCoin can allow you to invest in crypto with dollars. So these are 5 different investments you can start with 5,000 naira today. The truth of the matter is that 5,000 naira is not enough to make you a lot of money in investing, but it is enough to get you started in your investment journey. I started investing with 1,000 naira years ago, and right now I am glad I made that decision. So don't allow the fact that you don't have a lot of money limit you. The 5,000 naira you have today, get a broker app, deposit it, and start your investment journey. In years' time, you will look back and you'll be glad that you made that decision. The 5,000 naira you have today can grow to 1 million naira tomorrow if you are consistently adding to it. Investment is a marathon, not a sprint. You can start small and grow on the way. So 5,000 naira today can be 10,000 naira tomorrow, can be 20,000 naira, can be 50,000, can even be 100,000 naira as time goes on. So don't make excuses and say, oh, it's only 5,000 naira I have, I cannot start investing. I've shown you 5 different investments you can start with 5,000 naira. There is no reason why you shouldn't start investing today. My name is Oluka Otone, and God bless for watching this video. If you find value to this video, you want to subscribe to this channel if you are watching this video on YouTube, or you want to follow me on this account if you are watching this video on TikTok. And I'll be glad to have you drop a comment. Make sure you always comment to learn more about investing, finance, and making money online. God bless for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, drop a like, and I can't wait to see you on my next video. Enjoy.